launching. Can you see why it's one of my favorite planes? Absolutely awesome. I have a link to the playlist for this plane in the show notes too. It is an amazing little plane, and it is brushless, and it is sub 250 grams, and it flies like a much bigger plane. I absolutely love it. It is fantastic. Is that an amazing little plane, or is that an amazing little plane? I've got a 808 number 32 Keychain cam on the way that weighs 17 grams. I think this plane is going to be able to handle it just fine. An 808 number 16 camera was my very first action camera, but it only recorded at a maximum resolution of 720p. Now the number 32, and I guess it's been out for a long time, I was just never aware of it. It records at 1080p 30 frames per second, which is what I was looking for, and like I said, it only weighs 17 grams. So I pulled the trigger on one. I think it was like I can't remember. It was under 50 bucks, I know that. And I was looking for a recording camera that would record at 1080p that I could put on some of these smaller, these micro planes. I put my bigger, heavier run cam on my larger planes, but it weighs 44 grams, So I think that's going to work out great. I will have a link to that in the show notes as well, because my 808 number 16 Keychain cam is still operating, guys. I've had it for years and years and years. Oh, fun is over already. I hate that. I hate it when that happens. All right, let's see if we can bring it in and land it. What an awesome little plane. This has got to be, I would say this has got to be in the top three of all the factory planes I've ever flown. They have less than 12.5 volts in the pack when I put them in the plane. Looks like I'm going to have to buy more LiPos this year. It's been an expensive year for me with LiPos. I've had, I take care of my LiPos. I've had them for years and years and years. And but you know, they've got so many cycles on them. They're just, a lot of them are just getting worn out. I've purchased a lot of new LiPos this year. They're expensive, aren't they? But man, what an absolutely fantastic plane. It is just a joy to fly this plane. That is so cool. I don't know how many flights I have on this plane, but it is a lot. But this is the first time I've had it out in quite a while. Is that fantastic, or is that fantastic? If you're looking for a plane, I mean, I had to put landing gear on mine to land out here, so otherwise it would tear up the airframe. But if you're looking for a plane that requires no mods, that has this kind of performance, this stability, and a sub 250 gram, I would like everyone to have one of these. It is just that good, guys. Ooh, watch the scrub. See that tight turn? This plane is just awesome. Complete vertical stall. Alright, my timer's about over. Let's bring it back through here. There we go. What a fantastic little plane. I just love it. A hop, a skip, and a jump. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.